Hello friends, in this video we will explain how to send an empty message via WhatsApp without any programs through the WhatsApp settings itself. The method is very simple. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before starting the explanation. Do not forget to mention God, and do not forget to pray, and peace be upon the messenger of God. May God bless him and grant him peace. We will move on to explain, with God's blessing. The first step, my friend, is to go to your WhatsApp. After that, you change the keyboard to the Arabic language. After that, you will find this small circle here. Click on it, and as you can see here, a post or an empty message has been written. Here, we click on Send, and an empty message will be sent to the person you chose. I hope you liked the video. For any inquiries, problems, or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.